So I came back in this new video. We're going to talk about the H the HTML codes, and actually we're going to start it anyway. Just excuse me because I just spoke out and yesterday, and it's so cold right here. So yes. Anyway, so before we start off with this, subscribe, like, and let's start this course, guys. So we're going to talk about in this video about this four elements. So let's start with the first one, the edge. Now this is, but before I want to tell you guys, this is the main elements and the main thing that you have to write in your HTML course. So yes, this is the main things what you have to write in your HTML element. So let's start. We're going to start this page, your HTML page with this one, and you have to write this doc type HTML, and now you have to write HTML2, and you have to end this HTML because every element has start and also has an end too. So you have to start this element and you have to end it too. So you have to start this HTML. You're going to say to the browser this, hey, this is an HTML page. So by doing this, put in HTML and end it. And you also have to put a head to the page by saying head and end this head. And also you're going to give your page a title, a title. So you have to give your page a title by saying this. So you're going to give your page a name like XBL HTML page. Oh, that's awesome. Anyway, so yeah, there is a body too. There is a body for your HTML page. So you have to start this body, and you also have to end it. So yes. Now in the head, your your HTML page will contain all the shit that is going on the head, but this will never be shown inside here. You will never see anything from the head, but what you will see what is going on in the body. So what is going on in the body and what is happening in the body, you're all going to see it, guys. So yes, let's start with the H1. So if you want to write anything inside the body, you don't need it. Like I'm going to say XBL is the best. I'm going to save it and go to the browser and just it's right here. But excuse me. But if you want to specify this writing, just you're going to need this. Why? Because if you want to change the color, if you want to change, I'm just gonna remove this for now. Okay. No. Okay. Oh God. Anyway, so I'm going to say XBL talk. No, let's say just XBL. Okay, if you go now and you refresh it, you're going to see. Now there is not only H1, there is H2. And just a second. There is H1. There is H2, H3, 4, 5. Okay, there is also H3, and there is the H4, and there is the H5, is. Okay. Now, what is the difference you're going to see, guys? Just a second. Okay. Now I'm going to save it and back to. Okay. Now let's see what is the difference. It's the font size between this H1 to H6. So the difference is the font size. You know. So this is the H1, H2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there is also another way to write inside HTML. It's by using the P elements, like let's say XPL. Okay, now that's it. So there's two ways and more than two ways actually, but just like this is the main two ways that you can write in HTML. The H elements or the P elements. So like you see now, this is the H elements and this is the P elements. And we're going to talk about how you can specify them, how you can edit their colors, the font size, the font shape, or whatever in the next videos and next courses too. So let's talk about let's talk about the links. Now every tag has a name, so you have to start this tag by saying, hey, this is a link, by putting I don't know why they choose this, but anyway, you're going to end this tag by saying this is the end. So now you're going to give a name for the tag, like let's say XPL page or XPL YouTube channel. So yes, and you're going to give your link a link right here. This is the link, and you're going to put a link. You're going to save it. We're going to see it like this. Oh, that's awesome. If you click on it, you'll go to your page. Let's say I'm going to type google.com. Let's see. Okay. But because I don't have any internet connection, so you see now. But this is the idea, okay? You're going to start a link and end it. You're going to give your link a name or a thing to be, so that anyone can use it. If you don't put anything inside here, your link will not be showed up in the page. So yes, and you're going to give your link a link right here. This is where you put your link. Yes, that's so easy. This is what the link is about. And so now I'm going to talk about the image. How you can add an image. Okay, so the image tag, it's not like any tag. This tag doesn't have any end. Like, we start by saying this img, which is obviously for the image, and you're going to give your image a link. So I broke my link. This is it. And yes, I'm going to see you guys. This is the magic, guys. This is where the magic happens, okay? So you have to add a height and width to your image. So by saying like this, I'm going to give it like 150 pixels. So this is it. And also width of 100 pixels. So just this. And I'm going to see if you can without adding pixels. Let's see. And It's also the same, yes. But I got used on CSS, but anyway. And yes, this is how you can add an image. Now I'm going to give you a sneak peek to by the alt. So what is alt? Alt is when your image doesn't show. You will know what this image is about if the image will not can't be shown or anything, just or the link is broken or anything like that, and you want to know what this image is about. This is by the alt. So I'm going to give like XBL photo. Now, if you want to back to the browser, just you will never see anything. So, but if the link is broken, like let's say this is in this way. So you see now, you will know what this photo is about, even if it doesn't show up. So this is what is art about, you know. So I think this is oh God. Anyway, I'm not going to write this again, but I have to. So yeah. Actually, I don't have to, but this is because I'm good. And yes, so this is HBO YouTube, and the alt is XPL photo. So yes, this is an image in HTML and how you can add it. So okay. Oh God, I'm just going to remove this. Just excuse me, guys. So yes, but I think I'm going to make this 200 because it's a professional photo. So yes, now that's good. Anyways, guys, now in this video we talked about the image and also about the links and the P tag and the H1 to H6 tag. So yes, this is what this video is about. And wait me in the next videos, next courses, and I love you all guys. I'll see you in the next videos.